So you guys, how you guys doing? So I came in to do a quick little show and tell of how I do the sublimation necklaces for my customers, and a pair of earrings that I was doing for a customer as well. So yeah, you guys, y'all just seeing me do them pictures, putting them plates on them pictures, and I'm going to use my mini press to get that heat activated so that it can transfer on the plates. Now, first of all, y'all don't come for my ashy knuckles. When I'm doing crafting, my hand get very ashy because I'm always using alcohol for everything to sanitize stuff. So yeah, so don't come for my knuckles. All right, disclaimer. All right, you guys. So yeah, I just came in with that quick little. See how them pictures came out, y'all. Very cute necklaces that I create for local customers. I haven't expanded to do it to mail some out like to customers on my website. So I just do these locally, and these are the double pendants. And that's how they came out. And that's how I do my little earrings with it too. Same method. Yeah. And you're going to see at the end how they come out. I put rhinestones around them. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe.